In this tutorial, I'll show you how to select the same colors in Figma so you can quickly change colors throughout a document. I have a Figma file open with several app layouts, and they all have this lime green color in the design, and several buttons, some text, UI elements. And I would like to make a quick change to this color and change it out across all of these frames. So an easy way to do this is just to select all the frames that is holding all the design elements. And once you've selected some frames, you'll see all the selection colors that are included in these designs on the right. And I can see here is that green color. So if I just click on this, I will get a color picker box, and I can easily make a change to this color. Let's say we instead want it to be kind of a burnt red. You can also put in a specific hex code below, and voila, you can see that it changed all those colors in my file. And I can just scrub through here and double check everything. That's a quick tutorial about how to change the same color in a Figma file. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment below, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more graphic design and Figma tutorials. Thanks so much.